Okay friends, so it's going to be time to get started on this plate light assembly right here. If you were to look at it, you would see that it has this little tab. What we want to do is from the back side of this bumper, we would press on the tab and that'll release this from the bumper itself. This one's obviously not in the best condition, so we're going to replace it. When I do these, usually I like to do them as a pair so they'll match. If you're not necessarily worried about it, you could of course paint it to match whatever color you need it to be. With that said, I'm just going to take my pocket screwdriver, I'm going to come underneath the bumper, just like this, and then I'm going to try to find that tab. I'll just push on that tab. Go ahead and grab onto the pigtail, give it a twist counterclockwise, remove it. I always like to remove the bulb. This should be a 194 bulb. Take a look inside, make sure you can see that the filament is still in good condition and the bulb is not discolored. I'll just reinsert it back on there. Double check the seal, make sure your seal is in good condition. If it looks like it's torn or even missing, obviously you're going to want to seal. Let's go ahead and take this and get it on there. Twist it clockwise to lock it in, give it a nice tug, make sure it doesn't come loose. At this point, you're going to see you have a hooky do on this side, and this is the side that we pushed in on to remove it. So when we insert, we're going to go at an angle, and we're going to put this side inside and up against there first, and then roll the other side in. Okay, slide it in, should click, make sure it's nice and secure. That looks great. Let's just test it.